Good day, sir. So I am Angelo Sipagpalatak from BSCPE 41. So I am here now to explain my answer for this activity. For the exercise number 1, so identifying address mode. So the first, addressing mode in some assembly instruction. Addressing modes are basically the ways the processor can find or access data. Here's how to figure out step by step. So number 1 is move AX BX. So this is a register addressing. So because the instruction moves data directly between two registers. So from AX to BX. So think of register like small containers inside the CPU that hold up temporary storage. So mula po sa AX nilipat sa BX. So next is move AX 1, 2, 3, 4H. So this is direct addressing naman po. So the instruction tells the processor exactly where the data is in memory at location 1, 2, 3, 4. So nalalaman naman po natin kung saan nakalagay po yung address po na AX. So nakalagay po siya sa 1, 2, 3, 4H. So no calculation or registers are involved. So inalam po lang po kasi natin na nandun po nakalagay yung AX. Next is number 3, move ALSI. So here the addressing mode is register indirect addressing. So instead of giving the exact memory location, so hindi po katulad kanina na 1, 2, 3, 4H, is it uses the value the SI registers as the address. SI acts like a pointer. So siya lang po yung nagpapanggap na lagayan. So hindi po siya yung direct na lagayan talaga. And the next is number 4, move BP plus DI AX. So this uses base index addressing. The memory address is calculated by the combining the values in the BP, base pointer, and DI, destination index. So register is like adding two numbers together to find the location. So ginagamit po siya sa paghahanap ng location. Gamit po yung base pointer tsaka yung destination index. Number 5 is move CXB BX plus SI plus 08H. So, nadagdagan naman po siya ngayon ng 08H. So, this base index with displacement, the memory address is calculated by adding BX. So, ito naman po natin may mga plus. By adding BX plus SI and a displacement 08H. So, it's like a treasure map where you start at BX, then go to SI, then move 8 more steps since 08H nga daw po yung nakalagay. Displacement. So move DIAX. So this index addressing the memory index addressing. So the memory address is determined by the DI register. So DI acts like an offset of or a number to tell where to look. So pag may gusto po kayong hanapin na location, so DI po yung gagamitin nyo, move DI. Malalaman na po natin yung index ng isang gusto nating malaman address. So meaning kasi ng DI is destination index. So, malalaman natin yung index niya. So, next is move AXBP minus 10H. So, displacement na 10H. So, based with displacement, the address is calculated by taking the value in BP and subtracting 10H. So, yun naman po yun. So, number 8 is move AX 5, 6, 7, 8H. So, this immediate addressing, the value 5, 6, 7, 8H is directly written into AX. So, basta na lang po natin sinalpak agad sa AX yung 5, 6, 7, 8H without looking at memory or register. So, next is move AX BX. So, register indirect addressing because the address is stored in BX. The processor uses the value in BX to figure out where to look in memory. So, because the addressing is stored in BX, the processor uses the value in BX. So, ginagamit natin yung value ng BX para makita sa my memory. So, next is exercise number 2. So, writing code for specific addressing modes. So, ngayon try natin maglagay ng code sa ating 8086. So, ito lang din po yung nakasulat sa may taas. So, immediate addressing. So, yung basta maglalagay ka lang ng address, move AX 55 AAH. So, ayan. So, nilagay po natin yung 55 AAH sa my AX. So, next is register addressing. So, to copy the data in BX to AX. So, gusto ko yung data ng AX is ilalagay ko sa BX. So, move AX BX. Next is direct addressing. So, to move data from memory location 1234H into AX. So, gusto ko na ilagay yung 1234 directly sa AX para matatampered na po yung laman ng AX. So, instruction tells the processor to go directly to memory address 1234H and copy the value into AX. Next is register indirect addressing. So, gagamit na po tayo dito ng SI as a pointer. So, move AX to SI. So, instead na kunin natin yung exact na address niya, gumamit lang tayo ng SI. Next is index addressing. To fetch data from memory at DI plus a displacement of 10H to AL. So, kukunin natin yung data mula sa memory, tapos magka-add tayo ng 10 na displacement. So, move AL, DI plus 10H. So, base index addressing naman. So, to access memory using BX and SI and store value in AX, move AX, BX plus SI. So, ma-access na po natin yung BX and SI. At may store na siya sa AX. Next is exercise number 3. Address calculation. So, in this exercise, we calculate physical memory addresses, direct addressing, move AX 1000H. The formula for the physical address is equals to segment multiplied by 16, quantity plus offset. So, here's the segment is 2000H and the offset is 1000H. So, segment times 16, so is equals to 20,000H. So, add the offset 20,000 plus 1,000H is equals to 21,000H. So, base index with displacement, move AX, BX plus SI plus 10H na displacement. So, construction. BX is equals to 1234H and SI is equals to 4321H and displacement is 10H. So, offset is equals to 1234H plus 4321H plus 10H. So, ang magiging total niyan is 5565H. So, physical address niya ngayon na mapupunta siya sa 20,000 plus 5565H. So, mapupunta siya sa 25,565H. So, exercise number 4 is debug and analyze. So, here's the whole snippet. So, move AX SI. Move SI to 1000H. Add AX SI plus 10H. Move DI AX. So, addressing mode. So, move AX SI registers indirect addressing. Move SI to 1000H immediate addressing. At mag-add ka ng AX. Sa AX, ilalagay mo sa AX yung SI plus 10H na displacement. So, based with displacement. So, move DI, AX, index addressing. So, final value niya is magiging memory at 2000H is equals to 1234H. Memory at 20,000H plus 10H is equals to 5678H. AX is equals to 1234H plus 5678H is equals to 68ACH. So, exercise number 5, practical problem. So, una, gagawin po natin dyan is that maglo-load tayo ng 0xABCD into memory location 3000H. So, move AX. So, lagyan natin siya ng value na 0ABCD. And, mag-move tayo ng 3000H sa AX. And then, i-retrieve natin siya, which is move AX 3000H. And then, copy the value in AX to BX. Move BX, AX. So, kasi kakopy natin AX papunta sa BX. And then, store the value in BX at the memory location pointed by DI 4000H. So, move DI 4000H. Move bracket DI BX. So, in conclusion, we cover the different addressing modes, how to identify them, and how to write code using them. We also solve a few practical problems to see how everything works together. So, I hope So, ayun sir. Thank you. 10 minutes sakto.